Hey guys, Phil Harris here. Welcome to beginnerdjlessons.com, and I have got an awesome tutorial for you today. This one is so much fun. In fact, I'm going to make sure I add this into my next DJ set. So make sure you're subscribed and look out for it. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do an awesome vocal riser effect to add into your DJ sets. And I can't wait to show you how to do it. Roll intro. Okay guys, so let's get straight into it. What you're going to need is some acapellas. Acapellas are just the singing without any music underneath it. I've got another video on teaching you where to get acapellas from. You can check it out up here. Okay, next thing you're going to need is another song that's in key with your acapella. Now, what I'm going to be teaching you how to do today is a vocal riser. As you know, before big drops in EDM music, there's usually like a build and then it drops. You know when things kind of get higher and higher and higher and then bang, you get the drop? There's usually a riser effect in there. There's usually something that kind of goes bang, and then you got the drop, right? Well, we are gonna get that effect using some vocal acapellas here. So, as we know, we've got the tempo slider here that makes things faster and slower. Let's check it out.
So I put my faith in something unknown. I'm living on such sweet nothing.
Okay? It affects tempo, but it doesn't affect the pitch unless you take the key lock off. Okay? So you take that off, and now as you slow it down or speed it up, the pitch will also slow down or speed up.
So I put my faith in something unknown. I'm living on such.
You hear it? It's subtle though, isn't it? That's not enough to create an awesome riser. So what you've got to do is you come over to Shift and you hit this button here. And what you'll see is if you go on the screen, look at this number here, the number 16. As I do this, it'll go from 16 to 50 to 8 to 16 to 50. That's the percentage it will speed it up. So if you have it on 8%, it'll only ever go 8% up or down. If you have it on 50%, it will make the song 50% slower or 50% faster. Now have a listen to it.
So I put my faith in something unknown.
Okay? Now, you're kind of beginning to get the idea of where we're going with this. The next thing you need to do is just have track A playing. It's going to be a song that's in a similar key. I've got a song here that's 2A. The vocal is 1A, so they're going to work well together. And all you do is you let it run. And as soon as track A hits that build, we're going to be doing our own custom build over here. So you're going to pick a bit of this vocal you like this. Okay? And then you can just have fun with this. You can just rise it. But what I like to do, just to add a bit of spice into it, is I'll actually slow it down and then speed it up. Check it out. Okay? Now, that's exactly what I like to do. Without further ado, let's throw this into a song and show you exactly how this would work.
So I put my faith in something unknown. I'm living on such sweet nothing, but I'm tired of hope when nothing's to hold. I'm living on such sweet nothing, and
Rips out, drop that low.
Awesome, there we go. How cool is that? And it literally is as simple as that. You guys can do whatever you want to do. If you guys wanted to put like a different kind of effect on it and drum it slightly differently, you can, like, or whatever you want to do. This is the fun of this. You can just be completely creative with it, drum however you want, and just have fun with it. The last thing I was going to tell you guys is, if you take key lock off and you bring in the vocals slightly too late and you want to make them catch up, or like you want to kind of spin the outer jog wheel to like nudge it forward or back, When you nudge the track now, it will cause the pitch to change. Bear that in mind. Have a listen.
So I'll put my faith in something unknown.
Whereas when you have it on, that doesn't happen.
I'm living on such sweet love.
So just be aware of that. If you're going to do this live, don't just think you can flick that wheel willy-nilly, because people will be like, whoa, what's going on with the vocals? So the one thing I would say is if you're going to nudge the vocals, do it slowly. No one will notice then, okay? Like, check it out.
So I'll put my faith in something unknown.
Versus this.
I'm living on such sweet nothing.
Okay? Cool. There we go, guys. A quick tutorial. That is such a fun one. I'm going to start doing more of that myself. I hope you liked the video. If you did and you want to learn more about DJing, I have currently got some free DJ training going on at beginnerdjlessons.com. On that website, I've also got 3 courses, beginner, intermediate, and advanced. This kind of stuff is going on in my intermediate course. If you guys are interested, you can go and check that out. Also, I wanted to say, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about these tutorials. And if you haven't already, subscribe for weekly videos just like this. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta for now.